What's up YouTube and welcome to Rionics. So this morning there's a car meet happening and it's called Motors and Caffeine, I think. I'm on my way there right now, so let's see what cars we see today. So I just arrived here. There's a few cars here, it's not too much. I told it's like a chill vibe thing. But yeah, stick around and then I'll show you the cars right now. What's up?
Hey, how's it, bud?
Like good, yeah.
Good. You also doing the vlogging thing now.
Started, yeah, don't judge.
Good luck, Ricardo.
Ricardo! Oh, hell no!
Years ago, I actually drew something.
5 minutes later.
Okay, no problem.
I see they try and leech in some places now doing this other big flats. That's good.
Bruh, I had no idea what that now was saying. But it was cock funny though. Yo. Anyway, yeah, like I said, not a lot of cars. We got a golf bar right here also. So yeah, very chill. This car right here has got a lick sound system in it. As we go around, you see it come through. Mr. Infamous Rivals Crew Master right here.
What's up? I'm like, my car's the same speed. There's a Volkswagen Bago. Toyota Traction.
Thanks so much for coming through.
Watch it. Little man behind you, little man.
I'm sorry.
We out.
You're also out.
Cheers, man. Okay,
We
thanks.
still have to chat, but we'll get to it. But I haven't forgotten about that last message. We're
Yes.
still gonna get to it.
I was wondering. I told her they probably forgot it,
No.
or they have enough crew now, or what?
No, that's still happening. My life's just been a nightmare at the moment. I'm going to London tomorrow. I'm away for 2 weeks and then I'm back. I'm hoping to get that everything.
And we're gonna do Kilani.
We're doing Killarney. I'm already been challenged.
And you, I have to beat.
Can you make that for?
You-
kijk gedaan.
You,
Kijk het gedaan.
you have to beat. I have to beat at Kilani.
I know.
This guy over here, this Francois. He always gets me. I always pull away cut and then he will catch up. But I've won him before, and he's got a turbocharged.
What's up?
So
I'm just lucky, I guess.
Yeah, you're just lucky.
I'm very lucky.
So we just ended. Me and the white turbocharged 86 decided to go for a run afterwards. So I'm following him. We're just gonna go fill up the petrol station and then yeah, we'll see what's cooking. okay, the meet's done. We just got back at the house. It was a fun meet, very quiet, very chilled vibe. Not a lot of cars, but hey, it was worth spending a good morning with everyone there. So if you came this far, thanks for watching. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Rionix out.